In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for personal knowledge management. So it's practically using Poppy AI for your personal use in being more efficient and productive when it comes to information that you want to get. So we have a board here, and I have two examples here right now. So we have a video about the upcoming belt mistakes, and it says data analysis. So I just connected it here to this one Poppy chat. So I separated this two, so there's no overlap, right? So, and I have a very simple prompt here that says, I want you to give me a detailed outline on the video I connected regarding the upcoming Belmont Stakes. All I need to do is just press enter, and it's just going to start analyzing and giving me an outline pretty much, right? And on the second hand here, if you want to be more in depth when it comes to studies and you don't want to read everything, this is a study that I got from Google Scholar, right? And I just said, on my prompt, can you give me a summarized but comprehensive breakdown about the study I have linked? Because this is a long study. Press enter. It's going to start analyzing it. So as you can see here, going back to my first operation here. So it's breaking down about the race that these experts are breaking down or analyzing, right? So as you can see here, it's just going to give you pretty much everything without watching. This is like a 30-40 minute long video. So again, the longer the video or the more substantial the information, the more it takes for Poppy Chat to pretty much have everything. So if I scroll up to the very beginning, it's breaking down the entire video: introduction, setup, guest introduction, so wager labs, total performance data, TPD, derby, apps, and out. So it's pretty much everything about the video. It's broken everything down. Now I can have a secondary prompt and say, can you flush out every single outline, every single facet, like from 1 to 7. It's going to give me a more comprehensive, a more meaty breakdown if you need to. On the other hand, this is a long video. I want it to be shortened, right? If I scroll down, so this is pretty much it, right? Upload PDF, copy. So again, it can do this where it has access, but it's going to ask for a PDF or whatever. It does do that sometimes. You just remedy it by saying, this is a study, etc., etc. So I'm just giving you two looks on what works and what doesn't, right? And yeah, that's pretty much how you use Poppy AI. You just make it faster. It's a shortcut, but it all depends on your prompt and how well you prompt, so that you can still get all the information that is important to you. So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link on the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.